Ngiyakubingelela futhi wena ubukele kusewunyamazana insizwa kaKhoza ubhovungana uhlase athi amadoda abhodla utshwala ngiqhamuke kube ngibhodla umlilo kanti abangaziyo bangibiza ngosikhindi kuthiwa isikhindi sabesuthu isikhindi esingadilikela abafana kodwa sidilikela intombi zabantu mamela ke ngisaseKopanong 31 May namhlanje kusesowethu khumbula ke ukuthi behind the cam kukhona uNkosi ngisaphinda futhi nje ukubukela usingile Nkosi yami faka iCV uzoyiaccept kanti manje angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nezingane zasekhaya uyabona nje ukuthi bahla abantu bagezile kushoda mina Nkosi yami ngazi kodwa ngigezile khona ngifaka namakholoni okholonec khona lokho kodwa ngiyakufaka ngiyagcoba thi ngiqale ngomphathi yebo sawubona mphathi kunjani
Sawubona bro ngiyaphila wena njani
Awu mphathi yebo hayi ngiyaphila mphathi wami nginombuzo engifuna ungixoxele wona ukuthi ubani igama wakabani uphuma kuliphi ibandla noma kuyiphi ikhwaya
dumelang bamamedi ka lebitso ke Thapelo Dumaholi Thapelo Thafi ke tswa ko Young Musical Healers Music Academy all the way from Soweto Deep Kloof
Zone 2 Young Musical Healers kusho ukuthi abancane abahilayo noma bayapholisana ithi ngizwile nje mina ngihamba ngiyangithola ngithi sawubona kunjani
Ngiyaphila njani
ngiyaphila bengisacela uyithula ukuthi ubani wabani la ekhwayeni uyini ngoba ngizila ngazi bathi chair isitulo senza kodwa ngizomle itulo phakathi
all right igama lami uAndile Malungani but abantu bangazi ngoNdi Babes la ekhaya or la ekhwayeni ngichairperson yekhwaya chairman lady
che angithi uzwile kusho ukuthi la ekhwayeni mawufuna something before yakomphathi kuqala yonke into la kunana mayelo bone thula ubheke wena sawubona kunjani
Ngiyaphila njani
ngiyaphila bengisacela nawe uyenze njalo
igama lami uSizakele wakaphungwayo ngiculela iYoung Musical Healers Music Academy then isikhundla sami mina la ekhwayeni social media manager
uyo poster na uzokuposta kodwa angimazi maybe mafuna iCV nawe ifake ngakutshela kanjalo
Sanibonani igama lami nguLesego ngiculela iYoung Musical Healers Music Academy mina la ekhwayeni ngiyi-secretary
mabhalane wekhwaya lo okay mphathi ikhwaya iqale nini
ikhwaya iqale 2019 nge-21 zaka May yes
manje awuxoxe nami ukuthi kuze nithi Young Musical Healers kwenzakalani lasuka lapha eligama
lasuka there was umphathi obekasiphethe uye owaza negama but we had challenges then bekumele ukuthi yena ahambe wa decide ukuhamba yabo sasala negama
hayi uyezwa bathi umphathi wakhetha ukushifta meka shift umphathi abafowethu bathi cha le ndima sisazoyibamba njengoba sayibambile manje njengoba usho ukuthi nibe nama difficulties mewavela ama difficulties no solve kanjani
no ukuthi akitsibi ke tla ibe jwang whatever situation that etlang corona we must sustain it and re bone gore re lokisa jwang you see so everything in isikhathi sayo ngithi makumosheka kuyalunga at the end of the day akunanto engapheli akutsibi kazulu lero kungapheli kuyahlola so
manje weche yebo la ngaphandle kuduma ukuthi emakhwayeni izingane ziyamitha and niphethe izibutubutu umjolo angeke bafethu angengicule nani yabona nje yabona nje manje awusixoxa leyo ndaba uthi nimisa kanjani
well thina la ekhaya sabantwana bomama oyi1 so la ekhaya umjolo na angeke siuvimbe you understand so angeke sithi umjolo sizogwema or sizothini but like it's known ukuthi when a male and a female are in the same room the first thing that jumps is love so like into engeke sikhona ukuzisolve lezo but then bayahlonipha bona abantwana basekhaya ke bahlonipha umzali
respect ngizwile
umjolo nasemsebenzini ukhona umjolo nasesikolweni but then ungafaki umjolo wakho nekhwaya ukuthi nizoza ni2 late nilova ni2 nizekhwayeni yabo umjolo owenu akube into esesayidini masifike ekhwayeni umunye nomunye it's individually lento le yasekhwayeni masifika siba into eyi1 ukuthi nomngani nomphathi ujwala nobani asingeni
ayingeni asixoxe ingqinamba ze-social media kunalabantu bathi spin doctor ngasenzani kodwa kuyaspina kuya doctorisha so labafethu banokudumisa amakhwaya kabi futhi mangabe ngathi awufaka imali kubona manje wena njenge social media yini izinto ongazi ukuthi ikhwaya yakho ngayo ithuthuka
Yo, hey, kubuwe Sesotho naka we.
sibuwe Sesotho sibuwe ya uthi ubatla ho puwa Sesotho wasipuwa
You,
okay puwa Sesotho ke re na ya na umbuzo mphathi uthi ku social media kunama spin doctor congress wadwade okumele kuze ikhwaya yakhe ithuthuke ubanike imali yena uyithuthukisa kanjani ikhwaya
uyetsa jwang khwae be upcoming again. So like now she's a social manager.
yes
What?
yes
Social. So obviously a marketer. She must post the choir, make sure TikTok.
ngicela aphendule mphathi ya ngoba wazi maybe wathatha lento kuyaphileka wazi
How Shemba Tung. And it's been a year and months now. Ke manager social media Young Musical Healers. Re marketa show, kai marketa haholo Shem. We have to market our show gore le rona re tlo gona ndlondlobala. Yes.
mapalana siyafika makuthiwa nasi stage shuthi into zemali sibuza kuwena
yonke into mele ngimake sure ukuthi attendance register siyazi ukuthi ubani uzile ubani akazanga imali ubani ukhiphile ubani akakhiphanga transport mengibhali list ukuthi ubani uzogibela ngoba ubani akakhiphanga akagibeli
manje ngitshela ukuthi mangena 5000 maybe bathi wozani socula 100 rand
hayi ngeke ikhwaya ine account so mabayifaka ayingeni kimi and ayihlokeli mina ihlokela uchairman nomama sishilo sathi sinomzali la ekhwayeni so ihlokela yena no chairman
abayidli imali mocabanga
cha ngeke
Bangaboshwa.
che
yebo
imali
hayi imali la ekhaya ayikho kodwa sisayifuna
mayikhona che
yeah
awuthoni ne 200
hayi nix lo moya enguthola ekhwayeni ukuhileka lokuyingoma lokho yiko enguthola ekhwayeni and ngiyakujabulela because it's more than enough for me so umoya lo esicula ngawo na togetherness yethu ne team building everything lento leyo engiphilisayo ngaphandle kwemali hayike
wangathembi
hayi ngithembe uyangibona into lezamzija kube ngiqhinile kube
Oh.
ngiyayidlala imali
okay.
manje nje hayi ucheledi hayi uyayibo
Now umbuzo engiqeda kubuza kubafethu abaphuma abahlele kungiphendula. Ngizobuza kuze kube khona ozongiphendula. I have 5 soldiers, 1 shot, 1 die. How many soldiers left? Ngiqala ngakuphi?
4
4.
Phone.
4.
mina ngicela uphinde question ngizwa
I have 5 soldiers, 1 shot, 1 die. How many soldiers left?
4
Aki 4
Nisho ngale answer ngitshela. 1 shot, 1 die. Nisho.
wait no wait
no we still have 5
we still have 5 soldiers right
umfishane oyi-1 udayi
yeah
We have 5
Hey, wembukeli.
Our member is answering.
we have 5
Wembukeli. Ithi sikuphi ukuthi
Mali.
mawufuna ukubajoina uzobajoina kuphi? Uzobathola kuphi? Thi part.
Oh, rona o tlo go thola okay go Facebook ne okay social media you search Young Musical Healers Music Academy. Yeah, #Kataza then re dula ko Deep Groove Zone 2 Soweto. So 2229 Deepener Street 0735400091. Those are my turns for you to arrive at Kwayen. Then you can text my social media. Ay ukhona umama.
Okay, wembukele ekhaya. Asivale. Ukhumbule kuseyimino wakho. Nkosi, asifuna abanye bhuti.
sibonga mntaka baba